Hey, thank you for checking out my first video. This is going to be a tutorial over creating a simple site. You'll learn H1 tags, paragraph tags, and image tags, and how to host it for free so you can get people to check it out. If you have any questions, put them in the comments below. First, what you're going to want to do is open up your preferred browser and go to this site right here. It's notepad++.org, and I'll have it in the description of this video. And then just go down to downloads and then go to the first one, 7.8.7 release, and just install. Installer is the first package. Also, I apologize, you might hear my cat snoring in the background. I actually would go for the 64-bit. That's probably the kind of computer you have, but you can just double check that in your systems. Okay, so once you get it downloaded, which I already have it, so I'm not going to re-download it, you're going to want to open it, and then you're going to want to just it will have a new tab open already. You just go to File, Save As, and then you're going to want to call this index.html, save that, and then go to this little, it looks like a little piece of paper with a plus next to it. Just to open a new tab, and then go Save As, and then call this main.css. So the .html is the actual website, and then the CSS is a cascading style sheet, and that's how you style your page to make it look pretty. Okay, so I'm not going to explain all this. I'll just explain the three parts. Just kind of follow along here. So we need the doc type. Okay, I'll explain the title though. The title is just the name of the tab. So if you go to, you'll see here shortly, I'll point it out, but actually whenever I get to it, I'll show you. It'll be a little easier to explain that way. And then the link is important as well. This just finds so the main.css is how you style, like I said, and this is what finds that file so we can read it. Depending on how well this video does, I may make more small. Actually, I'll probably just make a couple more videos about just simple website stuff. So we have to, and you always have to close out your tags. So there's head open tag, and this is head close. Same with body. So the body is where all the actual information goes for your website. Just trying to make it look somewhat decent. So the heading 1 is like a heading in a like a letter. That's what catches people's attention. And then the paragraph is kind of don't really need an explanation. It's just the main paragraph, and you can have multiple paragraphs. I would say if you're trying this on your own, then play around with it, make more paragraphs and more headers, and then the image source. So this is what this finds the image and the image has to be in the same folder that everything else is in, or it won't read it. So I'll give you an example here in a second. But I found just there's a website I got this free image from, and I'll link it to you guys so you can get some images. They're free to use. So we'll close the HTML. Okay, so we'll save this. Make sure you save it or it won't work. And then we'll load it. And then this, and you see how there's no image? That is because the image tag, or excuse me, the image is outside the folder. So we have to move the image inside the folder. And then if we reload, boop, there it is. Boop, there it is. So now, this is all done. Now we'll make it look pretty. Prettier than it already is. Which isn't very pretty, but. So the body's the entire, all this, everything in here, this is all the body. So we'll make the background. If you have Notepad++, you can like auto select stuff, so you have to type in everything. So I'm going to show you a couple things. So this is called Hexadecimal Color, and you can get this off a website called w3schools.com. I'll link it in the description. And it's one way to choose different colors other than just doing like red or green. So we got, this is going to be like a kind of like a vanilla, and then it just should center everything. So it's already saved. If you click Control S, it saves. So now we just go here and see it's centered, and it's a different color background. Now we'll go to we'll style our H1 tag. We'll make this green, and if we go to this, it's green. Alright, and then P, so the paragraph tag, color, whatever, red, and then, oh, it's red. Now this is for giggles. We'll go over here, and I'll show you if we do another paragraph tag and put then we'll have to close it, and then we'll load this up again. See it, so it's gonna make all the paragraphs red. There's a way to change that, so you can do like one red, one blue, one yellow. Let's see here. And then that's that for that. Now I can show you guys how to host it on something so other people can see it. Let's pause this real quick. Okay, before I do that, actually, let me show you a couple things. So I was referring to the title here, simple site tutorial. And what I meant is it shows up here. So whatever you make the title is what will be up on the tab. Now to actually host, you can do it for free. I mean, if you're a child or a younger adult watching this, talk to your parents about making an account. But there's a site called Github, which is pretty easy to use. So once you make an account, you'll go to New, and then you'll name your website, we'll just call it Simple Site. And you can make a description, so we'll just do a simple website. Okay, and then create repository. And then you go to uploading as an existing file, because you already have files created. So choose your files, and then just find your folder. Mine is just new folder, and just get this, highlight them all, and move them over. Now you can, I would recommend that you write down what you're doing. So you'll say, like, under commit changes, just put adding files, and then I just copy paste the files that you're going to be adding. So then if you ever have to make changes to it for some reason, you can just kind of look back at them. Okay, so once you get these done, once you get all your files up, you have to go to settings, and then go down to Github Pages. Now, just go to master branch. That's the only option you're going to have. And then scroll down again and go back to Github Pages, and it'll give you a link. It's not ready yet, but once it's ready, then I found that this takes a little bit, like maybe 10 minutes or so. But there you go. See, it says your site is published at, and you might just have to keep refreshing because this takes a while. So I'm actually going to pause the video, and then I'll come back whenever this is actually up. Okay, so I got it up finally. It took actually longer than I expected. So this is it. So I'll have your username, .github.io, and then the name of the site, like I made simple site. And this is it. As you can see, I have the header and then 2 paragraphs in the picture. Thank you for watching my video. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below or send me a message through Facebook. And if you are in need of a website, or nobody that is in need of a website, my business site will be linked down below. You get a free quote. And if you like the video, subscribe, do all that good stuff. My hair is crazy. Alright, have a great rest of your day. Goodbye.